I am so grateful.
We all really had fun.
You did?
Couldn't be better.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
You know it was your idea.
No, I can't take the credit. I was just telling you what Mary Designer does every year, and you picked it up. Now you transformed this into a wonderful family get-together. We really had fun.
Thank you. Thank you. You don't have to go now. It's still early. Let's go inside and have some drinks, please.
Julie, I will go and attend to the children. They will go to school tomorrow.
Okay.
Hey, that reminds me.
What?
Do you know that Mary is pregnant?
Which Mary?
She's expecting baby.
It's a lie.
I am telling you.
Mary's pregnant.
She is 6 months pregnant.
6 months pregnant?
Honestly, and she really kept it quiet. She'll be traveling to Canada next month.
Wait, hold on. How did this happen?
Whoa. She told me that she met with this new doctor that came back from America, a super gynecologist. That his success is miraculous. Honestly, I saw her one-on-one 3 days ago. Honestly.
After how many years?
I can say. God can make babies from stone, honestly.
God.
I'll come tomorrow so that we'll just more on it.
Okay,
Yeah.
no problem.
Junior, do you want to stay with Auntie Ma?
Do you want to stay with me? Stay with me. Oh! But you have to go with mommy. There's school tomorrow.
You need to go to school tomorrow,
All
okay?
right. Thank you.
Yeah. Come on.
Thank you, girls. Thank you.
Yeah.
Mike.
All right.
Thank
you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. We had fun.
So,
Do you drive?
now, you do it.
Look at them. Please drive and go. Can you imagine, Mike?
Let her do it.
Men's world.
It's okay. Don't worry. There's another day.
Oh, yeah.
Bye. Drive safe.
Let it go. Just let it go. Let it go. I know, but let it go. Okay? Let it go. You know we talked about this, and I advised you. Let's cancel this party. Let's not have it this time. This is how it has always ended. 3 years now. This is the 4th year. Let's stop doing this.
I can't. I just can't. I just want... Sometimes I just want the warmth of children around me, even if it's just for a moment.
I understand that, but look at you. It always leaves you in tears of grief. Huh?
It's not always tears of grief. Sometimes it's tears of joy. Yes, the joy of expectation that someday he will give me my own child. All of my friends, all my mates have children. Some 1, 2, 3, 4, even more.
I know.
God, what did I do? What did I do to deserve this punishment?
You've done nothing, babe. Come on.
I worked for 7 years. For 7 years, I have begged God for the fruit of the womb, but he just wouldn't.
We're going to have a baby, okay? I assure you. We are going to have our own child. I assure you this. It's okay.
My own child.
My own child.
We'll have a baby. We're going to have a baby.
Doctor, you're my last hope. I have gone to a lot of places. I have done countless things, but none has worked. 3 years ago, I did fibroid operation, and I was assured that everything will be fine thereafter. But here I am, back to square one. I gave up until my best friend, convinced me to see you based on what you have done for other women. Doctor, I'm at my wit's end. I don't know what else to do. I don't know where else to go. I need for you to do the same for me, please. You don't know what I have been through. Please, you're my last hope.
It's okay, madam. It's okay. Cheer up.
Okay.
I have dealt with a lot of fertility cases in the last 30 years. Yes, I have. I actually trained and practiced in the United States of America and in Canada before I decided to come back home. But part of my success story is the fact that I don't usually go it alone. I usually go it with my patients. So tell me, are you ready to help me achieve success in your own case?
Yes.
Good. Good. First and foremost, I want you to put a smile on this pretty face. Good. You know, babies love smiles. And I'll tell you a little secret. Maybe you know, maybe you do not know. Tension, anxiety can actually prevent a woman from getting pregnant. So the reason why I want you to keep smiling, and when I mean smiling, from the bottom of your hearts, okay?
Thank you,
It is
Doctor.
well. It is well. It is well. So, we are going to start by running a few tests and carry out some x-rays, okay? Good. If I can read your mind through your face, you're like, I have done this several times. True or false?
Very correct, Doctor.
You're going to do it again for me, okay?
Okay.
And this time, with a lot of smile, plenty of smile. Songs in your heart, huh? And a singing. What about your husband? Has he gone through any tests himself?
No, my husband is fine. He's quite okay. He's all right.
I still have to confirm. No assumptions, okay?
Okay. He'll be available anytime you need him.
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good. All right. You're going to start running your test form tomorrow morning. Okay?
I'm ready. Anything.
I love that.
Thank you very
Now
much.
promise me you keep smiling.
I promise. I promise.
Good. Somebody will attend to you, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah. One more thing. Keep smiling.
I will. Thank you very much, sir.
All right then.
Nonsense.
Madam, wait now. Give me money.
Which money again?
Give me complete my
I
money.
beg,
now.
come out here, Joe.
Madam, see, if they fight trouble, I know they fear your size. Give me money now.
You know they look face. Yeah. You know they fear. This size, no they fear you.
Madam, you know they fear me. Give me money.
Okay, now.
Madam, Complete my money. Give my money.
I dey blame you. Every time, yeah. You think say anybody, I just won't give you. I just won't give you.
Give me,
Say I be. Nonsense. Nonsense. I not blame you.
Juju.
Juliet. Yes, sir. Hey, darling.
How are you, Biola Akintola Okafor?
And you. You look good, darling.
Is this you?
Yes, life and direct. This is me.
How have you been?
Oh, I'm fine, my darling, and I've been in the north all this year.
Oh,
Maiduguri
wow.
Precisely. But relocated down here last year because of the crisis in the north.
Yeah.
Yes, that's why we are here now. Yes, darling.
Yeah.
And how are you, dear?
I'm fine, I'm good. So,
Yeah.
What have you been up to?
My darling, I'm good. But you haven't changed at all. You don't want to be horrible like us.
Horrible. You're not horrible now, you're just, chubby.
If you say so, my darling, after 5 children, somebody have to, large job.
5 children?
Yes, lovely kids. 4 boys, 1 girl. After marriage, I was having children every year. My darling, it's not easy.
That's so nice, that's so nice.
Yes. And you now, how many do you have?
None yet.
Don't say it again. You said none yet.
Yes, my husband and I don't have children yet.
It's not possible. How can you not have children? When all those runs girls for school don't born, scatter everywhere. Ejiro, Obi, Gloria don't born like 10.
It's okay, Biola. When it's God's time, He will give us our own.
Amen, no. Oh, darling.
So what brings you here?
My darling, I'm into contracts. I supply toiletries, maternity items, babies, everything about babies. And as a new person in town, I come to this kind of big places to introduce my business.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
darling.
good.
Yes. This is my card. Please introduce me to your friends for business.
Oh,
So
sure, I will.
I need all the contracts.
Let me give you my card as well.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
So, to the glory of God, I own the largest food market in the area. So, yeah, that's what
You live on the island?
Bella, please. People live on the island.
Hey, my darling, I have to be here to see you.
No problem. I'm just a phone call away. My number is there.
No.
Okay, I'll store your number.
I won't call you. I will be there live and direct. A lot of catching up,
problem.
a lot of cheese and all that. I love you.
Take care.
Hey,
All
Juju, my friend.
We'll talk later. I'm expecting your call.
Hey, Saibi. Good. Island.
Hello, Sister Amaka. Good afternoon.
Afternoon. I've been calling my brother, but he's not picking. Is he there with you?
Oh, no. He's not here with me. I'm sure he's probably in court and he cannot pick calls when court is in session.
Anyway, we are organizing a befitting 65th birthday for Mama, which is in 2 months from now.
Oh, wow. That's really, really nice. Mama deserves it.
You will bring 275,000 naira.
200 and...
Why are you shouting?
Sorry, 275,000. Okay, that's not a problem. It's not a problem at all. I would talk to Odili and we'll know how to send the money to you. How are the preparations? What's going on?
I've told you the aspect that concerns you, and I'll talk to my brother Odili. Meanwhile, I will send you my account number for you to send your own money as soon as possible.
Okay, no problem. No problem, Auntie. My regards to everyone, especially the children. Tell them I'll buy them gifts soon.
We don't have time. It's okay, I'll tell them.
Thank you. Comfort.
quite impressive. I'm really very satisfied with your test results. Your fallopian tubes are through. Your ovulation is regular. Your ovarian count, not so bad. Generally, I think your result is very okay.
No, doctor. I was thinking you'll find something wrong and correct it. Or at least tell me I have a problem or there's something that needs to be done.
Madam, I don't get you. Are you trying to tell me I should find something wrong when, as a matter of fact, there's nothing wrong with you?
No,
Madam, yes, I understand the complexity in fertility cases, which are oftentimes are way too complex.
Okay.
All right? What I'll do is that I'm going to place you on some medication for at least 1 week. And then let's see if we can boost your hormonal level. And then after which I'd like to see both of you. I mean, you and your husband.
You think there's a problem with my husband?
I haven't said so, madam. No, I haven't said so. It's just that I like to exhaust every possible angle. Like I told you before, no assumptions. You know, or do you have any problem with your husband coming to see me?
No, not at all. I already informed him that you wanted to see him.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
So he's aware.
Very well then. It's okay. You will pass through the pharmacy. Okay. And then get these drops, okay?
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, doctor.
And then one more thing. Remember our secret?
Smile.
Keep smiling, okay?
I will. Thank
Very
you
well
so
then,
much.
okay?
Thank you so much.
My regards to your husband, okay?
He will hear.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Oh. Wonderful.
Yes? Who you be?
Sir.
What's up?
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
Fine.
Who are you looking for?
Juju. Juliet, yes.
Is she aware you'll be here?
Yes, tell her Biola, her schoolmate.
Her schoolmate?
Yes.
Okay, wait for me, I'm coming.
Oluwami. Ayemi. My dear, so this is where we're hiding.
Juju, see your house, so beautiful. Eh? Imagine. And the furnishing, everything, I'm sure is imported.
No. We don't import things. We just buy from the showrooms here.
You're not serious, darling.
I'm serious. Yes, you can find all of these things in Nigeria.
Hey. Juju, now I know why you're not working. Everything made easy. Not like people like us. We have to work January to December. Yes.
Biola, don't sound like that. You're sounding as if I never worked my whole life. I just resigned last year from Food Plus. Plus, I helped my husband set up his chambers. Yes, I set it up 3 years ago.
Seriously?
So it's not as if I've not been doing anything all those years.
You're lucky, darling. Very, very lucky you have a listening and understanding husband. Not like people like us who marry Itk. He wouldn't even allow you help him.
It's all right. My friend, sit down. Sit down.
You're
Just standing and talking. Sit down, Biola. What do you want me to offer you?
You know now we need to enlarge this coast. Yeah, bamboo, eba, ewedu, drink.
Everything. It's all right. I'll give you what is available. Don't worry. Just sit down and enjoy yourself. Give me a second.
Hey, Oluwami. Hey! Father Lord, how can somebody make this kind of money under this short notice? And she's telling me I'm not working. Hey, oh girl. Money rituals. Well, what is my own? I must chop the money. I will not share in her pain. It's not my business. God, where had this money come from? That's your husband's sister, right?
No, Comfort? No. She's my cousin.
What?
What?
You're not serious. How can such a pretty girl be in your house in this condition?
I don't get it.
You don't get what? You don't get what? Haven't you heard of helps marrying the man of the house and sending them that packet?
What are you talking about? Don't be ridiculous. Comfort has been with us for over 5 years. She came here when she was barely 12.
12. Was she like this then? Has she got the arsenals and the mind you? All this packaging, was it there? Hey, Juju, open your eyes. Open it well, and make sure you remove the monkey hand from the food before it turns around.
Look, Viola, let's just say I do not have that kind of challenge. Can you eat your food, please?
Okay, I might be mean. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey! You really know my size. I like it. Thank you very much, my
Enjoy your
friend.
meal.
God bless you. Hey! God bless you.
Enjoy. You like it?
Very well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Viola. You're welcome.
I've always been such a nice person. If not for anything, I would have asked you to drop me.
No,
but you said you were expecting a visitor.
It's okay. No problem. Okay, you know what? Just manage this, Use it for transport.
Money again.
It's okay.
You
Just
like
take.
to worry yourself.
Take, Viola. Just use it for transport,
Thank
okay?
you. God
Please.
bless you, Chichi. Juju, you're too much. God bless you.
Bless you. Oh, she's here. Open the gate. That's my friend.
That's very nice.
No problem.
Don't forget me.
Hey, Chioma, how are you?
I'm sorry I'm late.
It's okay. This is my friend, Biola. We're in the university together.
Okay.
And Biola, this is my very close friend, Chioma.
Hi. Hello. Juju forgot to tell you that I used to settle she and her first boyfriend, Chris, quarrel anytime they quarrel before all the look came and swept off her feet and she forgot me.
It's okay. Chioma is my very close friend and she owns the best private school in the area.
That's nice. You know, if not for the distance, I would have brought my kids to your school to start studying. You know, this is the kind of environment that we stay in when we were in the north before the crisis broke out and we came home. You know, I have wonderful kids, 4 boys and a sweet girl, bright children, very, very intelligent, you know, awesome kids. You will love them when you see them, But I had to come home. You know, my children are my life. Don't you believe so? It's okay, it's okay. I wanted to give you my complimentary card, but you can just look through this one. So that's it. God bless you. You know, I'm into supplies.
Yes, she's into supplies and baby stuff. So
don't forget, please. Okay. Juju, ọ̀rẹ́ mi, thank you.
All right, take
God
care.
God bless you so much.
Thank you for
Next
coming.
Time.
Okay.
I love you, my friend.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Chioma.
What is it?
I don't like her.
I know. Biola is an impossible character. She's quite boastful, but it's okay.
Julie, from what she displayed here, she's not just boastful. I think she's vain. Foolish, in fact. Or rather, downright wicked. Sorry, I have never sounded like this about anybody.
It's okay. I understand.
She has complex.
Huh.
Serious inferiority complex. And you know, people with complex are very dangerous.
It's okay. It takes exceptional patience to deal with her. I understand.
So what exactly does she come to do here?
I bumped into her in the hospital last week and she said she was going to come and spend some quality time with me because we went to school together. No harm in it, just for old time's sake. It's not as if we were even close in school. You know all those kind of girls that like to dabble into other people's business without being invited. It's okay.
Please, you need to keep this woman at an arm's length. I've always told you that you are too soft on people and they take advantage of that.
Okay, I've heard you. I've heard you.
The word is not fair.
I have heard you, Chioma. Come, let's go inside, please. How are you?
I'm good.
Okay, cool.
And you?
I'm okay. Yeah, Leslie, I'm seeing Dr. Edibia tomorrow.
Yeah, you said so. You mentioned it.
Yes, I did. But what I didn't mention is that he said he wants to see you as well.
Why?
He said he doesn't like to work on assumptions, so I told him you're perfectly all right, that there's nothing wrong with you, but he just insisted.
It's okay. I can see him. It's not a problem. It's just that I have cut in the morning, so I should be free. 12:01.
No, he'll see you as soon as anytime you're ready.
Cool then. I'll see him.
Thank you.
Welcome. What?
No, I didn't think you were going to say yes.
Babe. If it makes you happy, it gives me joy. So why not?
Thank you.
I love you, babe. I love you, baby. I love you. From the bottom of my heart.
Don't sing, please.
I need you for the rest of my days. Hello, Amaka.
Hello, Odile.
How are you?
We are fine.
And your family?
We are fine, my brother.
Oh, that's good. That's good. It's also good to know that you and your family are doing good.
I am calling because of the birthday.
Yeah, I remember we had that conversation about Mom's birthday celebration, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's on you now. I told you to, send me.
Your wife is delaying the whole thing.
Pardon me, I didn't get that.
Your wife is delaying the whole thing.
Amaka, what has my wife got to do with this? You and I had a conversation about this, and I told you that I'll finance it. So it's on you to send me a...
Odile. Yeah? That's Juliet. That your wife is making you to turn back on your family.
Amaka, I told Juliet not to transfer the money. 275,000 naira is bizarre. It's too much. Who pays that much? Fashwebi? And why would you hope that she would make a transfer when I already told you that I'm financing the entire thing?
Sorry.
Amaka, listen to me. My wife has nothing to do with this. Oh yeah, she has nothing to do with it.
Odile. Juliet has made you turn your back on your family. And I don't like it.
You know what? Knock yourself out, all right? If that's what you want to believe, fine, live with that reality. Oh, because I'm tired of hearing it. Oh, yes, really. Oh, Juliet is the reason we're no longer close to your family. Juliet is the reason we're no longer close as siblings. Juliet this, Juliet that. Leave my wife alone. Let this be the last time you call my phone and spit such nonsense about my wife. Look, Juliet is my wife. Right?
I don't want any delay
wife.
at all.
If her way of life pleases me, that's all that matters. If you want us to do this and do it right, then draw a budget for the celebration. Send it to me. I look at it. If it's fine, I approve it. If it's not, then we call it off. And if you want my wife and I to be part of that, Shebi, review that budget downwards. Who pays 275 for Shebi?
Sorry, I know you always support her.
That's my stance.
Yes.
Why?
But we shall see.
Dilly,
Hey.
what's wrong? Why are you screaming? You know what? I'll pay whatever.
No, you will not. No, you will not. Don't tell me to calm down. No, you will not. She keeps doing this and I keep letting it go. Not this time.
Don't let her ruin your day.
275,000. It's ridiculous. Who pays that much for Ashebi?
Calm down. You're just about leaving. What's wrong?
It's fine.
Are you sure?
Come on now. It's fine.
Are you sure?
It's fine.
So, I'll be going to the doctor today. I'll call you when I get there.
I know you will, baby.
Miss me.
I love you.
I love you too.
All right. If you don't call me early, I'll call you.
I'll be waiting. I'll be by my phone. Bye, baby.
Bye.
Commissioner. Yes. Yes, good afternoon, Commissioner. Yes, Dr. Idibi on the line, yes. I'm very well, thank you. Please, just a quick one. You remember my discussion with you sometime back a month ago in your hospital? Sorry, in your office? Yes. They're right here in my hospital. About these scammers? Yes, they're here. They are here. And they came with some supposed policemen. Yes. In uniform. Absolutely. Please, I need your men here, please. Please, I beg of you, please. Very well then. Thank you. Huh? Gosh. Is it this bad? That these criminals go from hospital to hospital looking for who to blackmail about stealing of children and trafficking of children and extorting money from people? What is going on in this country?
Please, I'm here to see the doctor. I have a 9 o'clock appointment with him.
Okay.
Is he on seat?
No.
He's not. When is he coming back?
In 30 minutes time.
Okay.
Please, can you have a seat on this one?
All right. Thank you very much.
This is the place. This is where they sold my baby. I gave birth here last month. They sold my baby and told me my baby is dead. This is the place. You people sold my baby. Oh, you cannot recognize me. You people sold my baby. Where's my baby? Baby sellers, where is my baby? Where is my baby? I can't remember seeing this face in this hospital. Oh, can you imagine? You can't remember me too. You don't know me. I had my baby here last month. You people sold my baby and told me my baby is dead. Where is my baby? Oh, you cannot remember me. Let me remind you. You can't remember seeing me. Is this not your hospital card? Is this not your card? You must provide my baby today. Where is my baby? Officer, tell them to provide.
Nurse, where's the baby? Where is our baby?
It's not true. It's not here. Can you imagine? That's not your card. If I don't get my baby today, this place will scatter.
Where is our baby?
You better say the truth.
Where is my baby? I need my baby. You people must provide my baby here and now. Where is my baby? If I don't get my baby,
But that is a card.
Today.
But that's so sharp. This is a hospital. And you're disturbing the patient.
Oh, really? Today you must provide my baby. You must provide my baby
What is wrong with you? What are you talking about?
Officer, this woman bought my baby from this hospital. She's conspired with them and bought my baby. Madam, where is my baby?
What is wrong with you? What is wrong? What's going on here?
My baby.
What baby?
You bought my baby. Where is my baby?
Will you just keep quiet?
Where is my baby? Where is my baby? You're trying me. Madam. Where is my baby? What is my baby?
It's okay. Now it's okay. Now it's okay. My wife attacked her. My wife attacked her. And you still I want this job. Attack my wife. And you still here?
This lady reported a case about the stealing of baby against her wife.
Yes, it. And that is your reason for standing by and watch this idiot attack my wife.
Okay, my baby.
Listen to me. My name is Barrister Maduka. You see this? I will not take lying low. Whoever is responsible for this nonsense will hear from me. Sweetheart, let's go. Let's go.
Get my bag. You are crazy. Hey.
Commissioner. Yes. Yes, good afternoon, Commissioner. Yes, Dr. Idibi on the line, yes. I'm very well, thank you. Please, just a quick one. You remember my discussion with you sometime back a month ago in your hospital? Sorry, that in your office? Yes. They're right here in my hospital. About these scammers? Yes, they're here. They are here. And they came with some supposed policemen. Yes. In uniform. Absolutely. Please, I need your men here, please. Please, I beg of you, please. Very well then. Thank you. Thank you. Gosh. Is it this bad? That these criminals go from hospital to hospital looking for who to blackmail about stealing of children, trafficking of children, and extorting money from people? What is going on in this country?
Chioma, you should have been there to see what I saw with my eyes. It was ridiculous. I have told you that I'm fine the way we are. I like us the way we are. But no, she won't listen. Now see, a baby is going to come when a baby would come. What, are we going to kill ourselves before the child gets here? These people were feasting on her, fighting. What would have happened if I didn't get there when I got there? Some idiot could have just killed my wife for nothing. Why? I have told you that, look, all over the world, people are beginning to adopt kids. Let's explore that option. No. Oh, she must have a child. I understand, but come on. See what we're dealing with now.
Odili, it's not easy as you think. It's so unfortunate this thing happened, but...
You know what hurts me the most? You see, this whole thing could have been avoided. Because she had a dream. Oh yeah, same scenario. She had a dream.
Really?
Yeah, she shouldn't just have gone back there. It wasn't necessary.
What exactly is going on?
Look, I don't know what's going on right now, but I'm going to tell you what would happen. My wife will not go back there or anywhere else. Nana Achongwa. For what? Huh? When it's God's time, we're going to have a child. Sorry. Hello? Yes, DP, I can hear you. What? New developments? Oh, okay. Sure, yeah, I can be there now. Yeah. All right, sir. Thank you. DP just called to say that there's a new development and I have to be there. So please, can you just stay with Juliet for me, please?
It's okay.
Right, so I can run off and get back. Okay, please, I have to get to the end of this. This is not right.
All right.
Whoever has a hand in this must be brought to book. Huh? Please. I'll be back soon, darling.
We want to thank you for the assistance that you've rendered to us individually and collectively as a community.
Yes.
We are indeed grateful and we are proud of you.
Thank you, Uncle.
But something is still missing. Tide and time, they say, wait for nobody. You are the only son of your parents. And they're not getting any younger. You and I discussed this thing some time ago. And you promised you're going to do something about it. But up till now, nothing has happened. Nothing. We are indeed very worried. What is happening?
Odele, Uncle, you know I lived in the city for a long time, before my retirement. Yes, I know, one may be carried away by the township or city life. Come to the village. Almost all the small boys in the community, they are all married with grown-up children, all of them. Think. You need to get a second wife that will bear you children.
Well, Uncle, I want to start with thanking you for your concerns. And I know how you feel. I do. But the truth is that I cannot have two wives. It is against everything that I believe in and stand for. And speaking of my wife, Juliet, that woman and I have come a long way. We have been through thick and thin. That woman, for the sake of emphasis, has contributed to this success that you see today.
Oh, Dile.
Uncle?
Your mother is no longer happy. She's a very sad woman as I speak. And we, at home, are the ones bearing the brunt of her present mood. Nobody is saying that you should live with two women in the same house. Just get a wife that will give you children, and she will stay with your mother at home. Simple.
Uncle, it's not simple. It's not. I love my wife. Yes, very much. And like I said, we have been through thick and thin. We have been through a whole lot. And this is just a phase. And together we shall conquer this phase of our lives.
Orderly. Uncle, I understand that you love your wife so much.
I do.
And we are not asking you to love her less. All we are asking you to do is the needful. Do the right thing. This matter, listen, this matter is as clear as the afternoon. You may be richer and more educated than I am. But wisdom has nothing to do with education or riches. Look at Professor Odenjo and Dr. Odemba. Are they not more educated than you are? But they had second wives. They forgot their Oyibo wives that were not able to give them children. And they married second wives that gave them children. My dear, I want you to be wise. They say in Kozona City, in Kano, they don't know now what to be wise, think.
It is fine, my uncles. Like you have requested. I will think. And I'll get back to you on this.
Thank you very much.
Let's drink, please.
There's no time, oh. There is no time.
Can I go the back? Can I go the back? Men, I go. You, Sadi, they go inside.
You come and carry this one.
Mama.
See how good you look.
Hey, look at me. Come on, my dear.
How are you?
It's my day.
Anna, what does it for?
Say that again.
Mama, this will be epic, oh. Hello, my dear. How are you?
If you
Ah, no, this is
hey,
good. Mama.
Hey, Oboroma nwa, onye ga-enye Oboroma nwa, onye ga-enye Oboroma nwa.
Happy birthday in advance, Mom.
Thank you, my darling.
Happy birthday.
Your children will celebrate.
Amen.
Hey,
Amen.
hey.
Amen. Amen. We'll have some things in the trunk, Mom. Yes, if we can just get help to get them.
Hey. Hey! Oboroma nwa, onye ga-enye Oboroma nwa, onye ga-enye Oboroma nwa.
Happy birthday in advance.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Your children will celebrate you.
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Bring the things. Bring the things. Hey!
Very well. Good to see you.
Hey!
Thank you so
Hey!
much.
Let me show the hand you arrange it.
Hey!
No problem. No
Okay,
problem.
come on.
Where are you?
Hey! On this. On the go inside. Happen I can one. Happen I can get it. Put that. Hey! Hey! Hey!
Fast.
On the knees. On the little one. Hey! Hey, come on, help me.
So after we spell Mama, Mama will cut her birthday cake. So give me an M. An amazing A. A miraculous M. And another amazing A. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now?
I'm plus one today. I'm plus one today. I'm plus one today. I'm plus one today.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, Mama. May the good Lord bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip.
We pray that you continue to live in good health.
Amen.
We wish long life.
Amen.
We wish that you continue to progress
Amen.
in all the things that you do.
Amen.
Look around, Mama. You see that what you have here are your close-knitted family. We showed up here today to show you love exceedingly. May the good Lord continue to bless you, Mama.
Amen.
And we shall gather here again in years to come to celebrate you again.
Amen.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Thank you, darling.
We love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Oh, my darling. Thank you. Thank you. God.
I noticed how you felt when they were snapping photographs. I understand it because I was once in that situation. Yes. For 2 years, I did not conceive. And those 2 years were like 20 years today. Today you're with your husband in the city. Nobody worries you. Or do I worry you?
No, Mama.
In my time, you wake up with somebody reminding you that you are a nuisance. And you go to bed the same way. My mother-in-law even got a girl for my husband, though he refused the girl entering the house. My mother-in-law kept her in her quarters and tried everything for my husband to impregnate her. It was at the peak of all this crisis that God answered me. Today, I'm a mother and a grandmother.
Oh, Mama, I never knew about this.
Your husband doesn't know either. Because I have every reason to thank God. So I don't dwell in the past. The last time we spoke on this matter, you told me you have done several tests. Are they saying you cannot conceive?
No, Mama, no doctor has said that. They only said that I have nothing to worry about because there's nothing wrong with me.
Then why haven't you conceived? 7 years is a long time for a woman. 7 years. I think it is time I play my role. Yes. I will take you to the man that helped me. Though he's late now, but his daughter inherited the medicine. So, you are going to stay back here. Okay? If your husband wants to stay with you, it's left for you people. Yes, the treatment will take 1 week, after which you'll become pregnant. Unless if you don't have a womb. Yes, 1 week, you're pregnant.
Okay, please take it easy.
What?
Please take it easy.
Is it painful?
Yes, then you finish with this whole place and my whole body is paining me now. You turn it with my leg again.
Look, Nanya. Was this supposed to be a sweet? Are you not looking for a baby?
Yes, I am, but...
Am I your husband to caress you and papa you? So why are you harassing me? For doing my job?
I'm sorry, please continue.
Yeah. Listen to me. I inherited this job from my father. Do you hear me? But I do it better than my father. What I give are twins and triplets. Because I'm doing it in a more modern European way. You understand? My father was doing it in a archaic way. My own is twins and triplets. Don't you want twins? Don't you want to have twins?
I want twins.
Relax. Yeah. I also have women whose husbands are not capable. You understand? So, in case you need such assistance,
Okay, please, can we concentrate on what you were doing?
Meaning that I am not concentrating?
No, I know you are but you've done one leg. Can you do the other leg?
You think all those women have twins and triplets just like that? I don't know where this woman brought you from. All these city people, you just come here and be doing selling. You think it's by gentle they get twins and triplets? Because there's them all, please. Arrange your leg well. You're going to carry this one till daybreak before you wash. Do you understand that? Yes. Till daybreak. Now this. The white one on your skin is black one inside your body.
Okay.
When the black one goes inside, it will wash the inside of your body and it will become like white. You understand it? Good. You're going to take this one for 7 days. You use it to drink pap, akam. When you do your akam, you pour it, turn it, and drink it. Finish it for 7 days. After 7 days, guaranteed, you have a baby.
Okay. So
I hope you know how to do akam.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. This one, when should I take it? Morning or night?
What time do people do things that will bring a baby?
So, at night.
Question, Ajuju. If it's in the hot afternoon that you and your husband will do something to have a baby, no problem. But take it for 7 days. Okay. And everything will be fine.
Okay.
Eh?
What quantity?
Okay. I'm through with you. If you want, yes, I'm busy. Go on, I'm busy. Madam, I'm through with you. Greet your mother-in-law for me, Ify, okay, how is the baby? It is God the Lord's doing.
Are you okay? Huh? Do you need me? Should I come in? Huh? Are you sure you don't? Get up.
Where they carry me go now? Where are you taking me to? Where are you taking me to now?
You're going to be using the visitor's room here for now.
Why should I be in the visitor's room? Please, I'm going to stay in your room. I'm not going to...
Hey. Stop it. Don't even try to be difficult. Stop it. You will do as I say.
So not be shouting matter. I don't really agree this one.